Hi and welcome. It's Megan here. Today I'm going to be doing a weekly reset routine. I'm basically just going to show you guys how I reset for the upcoming week and just prepare for the work week, just get my life together, all of that good stuff. It just really helps me to be able to focus during the week and stay on track and just be less stressed. So I figured I'd take you guys along with me. So if you like these kind of videos, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's get into it. First, I like to start off with laundry because laundry is something that kind of takes throughout the day. I like to go ahead and start that as soon as I start like my reset kind of day, just so it just puts me on the right path. I may not completely do all of my laundry today. It really just depends on my mood, but I'm definitely gonna start off by cleaning my linen and starting at least washing a couple of loads of clothes. Now that we have everything in the washing machine for that first load, now it's time to start like the deeper clean for the week. So this is when I do stuff like cleaning my bathrooms and sweeping or vacuuming, stuff like that I like to do weekly, just to kind of deeper clean my apartment to make sure things stay clean and smelling nice and just stuff like that. It also helps me to have like a more peaceful mind because my space is clean. I've noticed I mentally am just in a better place when I have a clean environment. So we're pretty much done with cleaning, so now it's just for like the sweeping part. I recently vacuumed my apartment, so I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna focus on sweeping the hardwood floors today. And also with sweeping, I like to kind of clear off my patio, like balcony, and also like around my front door. I kind of live in the woods, so there's like a lot of like bugs and stuff that like to be out there, and like, you know, Charlotte and her friends like to create their webs and set up their homes and stuff, and it's not for me. I don't like Charlotte and her friends, so they scare me. I need her to be, you know, away, so I like knock down the webs and stuff like that. I know you guys are watching this probably thinking, this girl is crazy, but I'm being honest. This is something I really have started doing recently, and it's helped me tremendously. All right, so now I'm going to water my plants. I actually recently watered some of them, so I don't have to do too many, but I try to do it like bi-weekly. Some of the plants get watered, some of them don't. It really just depends on what they look like and stuff like that. I don't have too many plants, but I'm going to be adding some more in the future, so I feel like if I add them to my routine, it'll just make it easier to not kill them when I get new ones. Next, it is meal planning time. So I've noticed recently when I plan my meals for the week, I'm more likely to actually want to eat that because I guess it's like a closer time frame. I've noticed for me personally, I have less waste and stuff doesn't go bad if I just plan for the week. I also spend less money. And consciously, I can be honest with myself, like, oh, I'm probably gonna go out to eat like twice this week, so I only make like a few meals that I'm like, okay, I want to eat this stuff this week. I also go through my fridge and see like what items I already have to make sure those don't go bad. I'm not super specific with planning as well. I don't say like, okay, on Monday and Tuesday I'm eating this, and I'm eating this on Wednesday, and this is what I'm eating specifically for breakfast. I don't do that because I don't follow that. It makes me feel kind of like caged in. I don't always eat breakfast, so I just pick like 3 things I might want for breakfast and kind of mix and match the ingredients. Same thing for lunch. I pick like things I may want to eat for lunch. Like I've recently been really wanting to eat sandwiches, so I'm probably gonna buy some bread so I can make me some sandwiches. And I pick some stuff that I really want for dinner. Sometimes I'll mix and match dinner, and I try to reuse ingredients as well, just to make sure stuff doesn't go bad and just, you know, to be more cost effective, of course. All right, you guys, so here are all my groceries. I tried to angle it where it goes with what meal it is, so That's what looks a little ranged a little differently. But I'm going to be making like a veggie like caprese sandwich. So I got some sourdough bread, some basil, some fresh mozzarella, and also spinach goes on it over there. I got some seasonings for my shrimp that I already have. So I got some Old Bay, and then I also got this Montreal steak seasoning. I was gonna get steak, but I ended up actually getting chicken for my burrito bowls this week. I got some fresh jalapeno, tomatoes, cilantro, some onion. That's gonna go in my fresh pico de gallo. I also got some sour cream, some pinto beans, and some lettuce to make my burrito bowls, which also the pico de gallo goes on. I got 2 salad dressings. I got the garlic and basil and the Simply Vinaigrette Italian from the brand Ken's. Those are some of my favorite salad dressings, and then they were like 2 for $4, so that's why I got both. But I'm gonna be eating like some salads to go with some of my stuff too, so that's what the lettuce is partially for. And I also got some cucumber, and I think I have some other stuff in my fridge already. And then of course I mentioned the spinach and kale. That's just to mix in different things like with eggs and stuff like that. Also, there are some eggs back there. And then everything else is just like restock up on things that I need. So coffee creamer, my favorite one, which is the Coffee Mate brand, and this one's French vanilla. I got some more Stoke cold brew. I got some Cascade Platinum dishwashing tabs because I really like these. I also got some more laundry detergent. My favorite one is the Gain Original Scent. And then I got some butter and some oranges. So this is just everything I got. It's honestly, it should last me about a week because I do have a few other things left in my fridge to go with the rest of these items to like complete the meal or to make something completely different. So yeah, this is what I got today. Some more stuff that I do is, this is kind of like the sit down planning part of the week. So this is when I plan like what content I want to post for the rest of the week. Like, I know I'm posting 2 YouTube videos, but which ones do I want to do? Have I already filmed them? Have I edited them? That sort of thing. What like TikTok and Instagram stuff do I want to post? Do I already have pictures? Do I need to plan to take some more pictures? Do I need to plan to film some more stuff for TikTok and Reels on Instagram and stuff? Like that sort of thing is, I'll do like a quick planning of that. And I'll also go ahead and film some stuff or take pictures if I need to. But a lot of times I like to do that on a separate day if I can. And also during this time, I look at like my work schedule and just see, okay, cool, like these are the days I'm working, these are the days I'm not, because my work schedule is very like sporadic, so it changes every week. So I like to just be consciously aware of like, okay, these are my days off this week. These are the days I'm working. One day I work super late, one day I work super early, just so I mentally can be aware. And then I also, during this time, will look at my bank account. I like to see kind of how much money I've spent. I like to just kind of be consciously aware of like how much money I spent, maybe try to spend less this week. Now for the rest of the day, I really just kind of relax. I continue washing clothes and putting clothes away, and I kind of just mentally prepare myself for the week. I kind of relax, I eat something for dinner. It may or may not be the food that I bought. And I just kind of, you know, chill, watch TV, may edit a little bit of a YouTube video, scroll on social media, whatever it is I feel like doing. And I really just have like me time. A hard like balance between working at home and then having like home time as well. So that's why I think it's really important to create some sense of like a routine and space and stuff to just mentally prepare yourself. Like even if you don't do all of this stuff that I did, you can do just something small, like just go to the grocery store or just clean up. I've noticed for me personally, there's some days I don't feel like going to the grocery store. And so I'll just clean up and that's fine. But I've noticed my best weeks are when I do all of these things, just because all of these things are like important. I need to have food. I need to clean up. I need to look my bank account. I need to plan like the content, because on days when I don't really plan my content initially before the week comes, those will be the weeks that people are sending me messages on YouTube, and it's just like, when are you posting another video? Where you go? You need to post more, stuff like that. So If you have certain goals and there's things that you are trying to do, and then you have stuff that you're required to do like work or school or whatever it is, definitely try to create a routine that makes it easier mentally to do those things and physically, because you have like a good physical space. Like even if you don't work from home, you may still want to plan your meals because you may want to take your meals to work, or you know, you probably want your apartment to be clean when you come home. So just little stuff like that. I don't always do this on the same day. As I told you guys, my schedule changes quite frequently, so I kind of have off and on days. So some days I work on Sunday, some days I work Saturday, some days I work Monday, but usually one of those 3 days I like to do like this weekly reset. It's not always called like a weekly reset. It's more of just, I'm preparing for the week. I gotta work tomorrow or whenever. Let's get my shit together. That kind of vibe. So that was the end of this weekly reset routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also comment down below if you have like a weekly reset routine, or if there are certain things that you like to do weekly, even if you don't call it like a specific, even if you don't have a specific name for it, just let me know down in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.